Hello everyone, welcome to Neva. We are a group of students from Rochester Institute of Technology, and we have deployed and developed a web application for emergency needs. The aim of our project is to provide location-based emergency supply and relief. Taking into consideration the present situation of the world, there are a variety of people who require immediate aid and assistance in this time of crisis. For our project, we utilized Django web-based framework to design this web application where the user can register to post available resources or commodities to any location where there is an availability of them, or view available resources based on specific requirements. When the user lands on the login page, he has an option to register if not already registered. If the user is not already registered, we'll register him. Here we register Bob and then log in with his credentials. And now he can add a location on the map. Here we'll first enter the type of resource Bob has to share. Then we'll add the address. We'll add the city, and then we'll add the state. You can now see that there is a zone that has been added on the map, which is a red zone. We'll add another resource now, which is transport. We'll now add the address and then the city and the state again. As you can see, there is a form of transport added. If you can see towards the right hand side, we hope this web app benefits everyone who is in dire need of resources. Thank you.